Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel, and today we're doing something that you guys have been waiting forever to see. Drum roll, please. Squishy and slime dares! Yay! You guys gave us a bunch of suggestions, and my mom cut them up and put them in a bowl, and I'm so excited to do this, and I have no idea what any of the dares are. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure you do it right now, because we have a bunch of awesome videos planned for you guys. And also hit that notification bell, because that's the only way you won't miss any of our videos. And the question of the day is, what's the craziest thing you've ever done to your squishies or slime? Let's do this. So here are all of the dares, and there's like a bunch of them. Thank you so much for all the suggestions, and I have no idea what's in here, so I'm gonna pick one and we'll get this dare party started. I'll take this one. I dare you to mix ketchup or mustard on a slime. Okay, I think I know which one. So I picked this slime, and I actually have no idea from when or where I made this, or what I made it with, or what type of slime it is. What the heck? This is such a small slime. But it smells good. So I'm just gonna dump this out on the table. Oh, okay. And then let's do some mustard. We'll get it condimented up in here. Ew. There we go. All right, let's mix it all up. Ew. Ew. That's gross. It looks like barf. It smells like a hot dog in here, but not the good type. So why don't we get this cleaned up and we'll move on to the next dare. All right, so that last slime was really small, but once I opened it, I just went with it. So I'm gonna step up my game for this one. This one. Cut a jumbo squishy. No! Scissors time. All right. Oh, no. I think I will cut up this squishy. So you may have seen this squishy in a couple of other videos because it is very defected. It is a metallic soft and slow squishy, and I actually really like this squishy because it's nice and soft, but at least I'll have the remains of it. And if anything, this is a really good squishy to cut up because there's already like metallic pieces of paint everywhere. So let's get straight into the cutting. Cut off this little heart first. Oh, that's so satisfying. The actual inside of it is so soft. I've never cut a squishy, guys. This is my first time. I'm gonna just go like. Boom. Ah! This squishy's gonna be dead. The inside is way better than the outside. It's nice and like sticky. I like it. Now I'm gonna cut it while it's rising. Wait. Wow. Next dare. This one. Put nail polish on a squishy. All right, I'll go get some nail polish. All right, so I chose this squishy, and as you can see, it's really dirty, so I need to glam it up a bit. And I chose these two nail polishes. I chose this like holographic color shifting blue nail polish. And I got this unicorn power nail polish from Claire's. Now I'm just gonna get started. So we'll definitely glam it up a bit because it's so dirty. And then it has this like little return label mark on it, and I don't even know where it got that from. So we're just gonna give it a makeover. If this turns out well, I should do this to all of my dirty squishies. Oh yeah, nail polish in the eyes. Who doesn't love that? This is actually very pretty to replace this murky pink. Ooh, I like this. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. This is the final product. Now, I can't really squish it for you guys since it's wet and it'll get all over my hands, but it is very pretty. Next there. I'm gonna do one from the bottom. This one. I dare you to bite a squishy for 15 seconds. Start the timer. Oh, gross.
Done.
Ah, finally. Ew, ew. I need to wash my mouth. Oh my goodness, I was freaking out because that tasted so nasty and I don't ever want to buy a squishy again. Goodbye. This one. Cut open squishy and put slime inside of it. Okay, I think I'm gonna do panda. Scissors, this is like the perfect shape for a bowl. Oh, this is so satisfying. I think I'm almost done. Ooh, that's nice. That's a nice little cozy bowl. Oops, that's bothering me. So this is the glow-in-the-dark slime Jordan made from our Halloween slime, giant slime video. Now this is actually a nice slime. But I know it can't all fit in here, so I think this is like a good amount to put in there. Ooh. I'm gonna put this in, and then I'm gonna put the other pieces of it on it, and it'll be like a slime squishy. Literally. There we go. Slime squishy, guys. I think this is deer number 6 or something. Okay. I dare you to cut a hole in your squishy and make slime inside. Yeah! Okay, so since I already have a little perfect slime bowl, I'm gonna make my slime inside there, but since I already cut it and it's perfect. So here I have my silver glitter glue by Elmer's. Just gonna pour some in there. This is so hard, but it's so pretty. Perfect sized slime. Okay, and to make it very pretty, I'm gonna add some pink food dye. Okay, that's gonna be so pretty. Like a pink silver slime. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. Perfect. Now, some saline solution. There we go. Oh yay, it's coming together. Ooh, this is so nice. Oh my goodness, guys, I have to make a jumbo version of this. Elmer's, if you're watching this, please make jumbo gallons of glitter glue. I mean, it's perfect for slime making. Next there, I dare you to put toothpaste into slime. No! I'm so nervous about putting this toothpaste into it, especially since this tastes nasty. Not that I'm gonna be eating the slime or anything, but it just tastes nasty. There we go. Oh, and see, this toothpaste even looks nasty and feels nasty. I think this might melt it. Oh, ew. I'm glad I kept some of it because I cannot salvage any of this. And it did melt the slime. I don't know what happened. Does this have like vinegar in it or something? Maybe. Maybe it has salt because it always tastes salty. All right, next dare. I think this one is gonna be my lucky one. Use soft and slow markers to color one of your squishies. Ooh, fun, I love coloring. Yes. All right, so I think I'm going to choose this little grasshopper bug because I hate bugs and it needs to look more glam. Markers, please. Dun, 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 dun. This is amazing. Ooh, yeah. I'm gonna use silver first. Need some silver wings. Look who decided to join me. They're already having so much fun they decided they wanted to come do it too. All right guys, you guys can pick a marker and help me color. So this is how the squishy turned out. I think it actually turned out really nice. And it's bug-eyed now. I mean, like, a bug needs to have bug eyes. Ollie, you go and pick this one. Close your eyes. I dare you to put a squishy in the freezer overnight. Okay, guys, what squishy do you want to do? I think maybe that one.
Pineapple.
Okay, all right, let's put it in the freezer. Okay, so this is the pineapple squishy we're putting in. This is the before. And we'll see the after tomorrow. Bye-bye, squishy. Have fun in the freezer. Hopefully it doesn't eat all my ice cream. Okay, guys, so it's 24 hours later. Let's see how the squishy turned out. So here we have our squishy, and this actually feels really cool. And it's not as cold as I expected. Let's squish it. It's definitely hard to squish, but it's way more slow rising than it was yesterday. It's still frozen, but it's probably gonna thaw out, and I wonder how it's gonna feel after it's thawed out. But it felt really cool when I first took it out, so you should definitely try this, guys, if you want more slow rising squishies. Next dare.
I dare you to cut off your squishy and blend them and then put them in your slime with ketchup.
What? You gotta be kidding me. Let me see this. I dare you to cut off your squishies and blend them and then put them in your slime with ketchup. No. Okay, guys. Is this squishy maybe? Or maybe a softer one like this. No. Maybe this one. All right, let's do this. Hopefully it turns out good, but then I'm gonna have to throw it away because of ketchup and it'll make it moldy.
I can't believe you're doing that.
I know, I can't believe I'm doing it either. I never thought in a million years that I'd be cutting up a perfectly fine strawberry squishy.
It's getting full.
You know what? Let me take this part out. You don't want the keychain part in. So we'll just toss that. Oh, it came right back to me like a boomerang. All right, time to blend the squishy. All right, I think this is good enough. Wow, the cup feels warm. That feels amazing. I wish I could make a pillow out of that. Feels so hot.
And yeah, they're so hot.
I think I'm gonna use this slime. 'Cause I think it'll make like a Christmas color.
And I love Christmas.
We'll start mixing them in. Ooh. Hopefully this mixes in and turns really nice. But it's not mixing in. Not too much. That's good. Oh no. Oh, this feels gross. Ooh, guys, you like this amazing slime with ketchup in it? Smells like ketchup.
Let me smell it.
Oh, I guess this, you guys, you were right, Mommy.
Slime in my hair.
Ah, no, no more ketchup.
I got ketchup in my hair.
Ooh, this actually feels nice.
Oh, this is so mushy. And
Yay.
Give it to me.
Here you go. You can have a bigger half.
I think I love the slime.
Okay, guys, so that was our slime and squishy dares. It was awesome. Thank you so much for all the suggestions, and we still have a bunch more dares. So let us know in the comments if you want us to do a part 2 of squishy dares. Please, this was so much fun. Except for a couple of the ketchup parts, but it was amazing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Goodbye!